In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Mailchimp email templates. If you're building a newsletter or an announcement and want a professional head start, Mailchimp's built-in templates are the fastest way to get moving. Let's walk through exactly where they live and what to look for once you're there, so you can choose a design that fits your content and your brand. Once you're in your Mailchimp account and looking at the main dashboard, head to the navigation and open the campaigns area. This is the central place where Mailchimp groups everything related to your outgoing messages, including drafts, automations, and importantly, the templates you'll use as a foundation for your emails. Opening campaigns sets you up in the right workspace, so you don't have to dig through individual lists or automations to find design assets. Inside the campaigns area, look for email templates and open it. This brings you to the template workspace where Mailchimp organizes different types of templates. You'll typically see options for templates you've already saved, as well as a library of ready-made designs. Think of this page as your design hub. If you already have a house style, you'll find it under saved items. If you need inspiration or a fresh layout, the library is your best friend. To browse Mailchimp's pre-built library, switch to the Mailchimp templates section. This is where you'll find a wide range of professionally designed layouts tailored to common use cases like newsletters, product spotlights, announcements, and event updates. Use the search or category filters to narrow down designs by purpose or style. If you know you'll feature lots of images, look for layouts with prominent image blocks. For text-heavy updates, a clean single column template often reads better on mobile and keeps your message focused. Before committing, preview a template to see how its structure flows. Check headings, body text sizes, and the placement of buttons and images. Most templates are fully responsive, but it's still worth reviewing both desktop and mobile previews to make sure your content will scan easily on a phone. As you evaluate options, consider your brand elements. Plan where your logo will sit, how your brand colors will map to buttons and backgrounds, and whether the template's spacing supports your typical content length. A quick recap to anchor this process. Open campaigns. Go to email templates, then browse under Mailchimp templates. From there, choose a design that matches your goals, preview it, and you'll be ready to start customizing. With the right starting point, you'll save time, maintain consistency, and deliver a polished email every time.